to bring a world record to Ireland. That is our aim. An endurance test that no man ever in the history of the human race stayed longer on the net than you did.
Shannon Rudder's crack is a whole of.
They thought he was going to die. There was no health and safety.
So if he broke the world record, he could come home with money, he could build a house, he could, take us out of poverty.
There was no one ever went down in the conditions I went down under.
I wanted a public defence team side by side, man to man.
There's been an accident in McMeany's grave, someone backed onto it.
In all walks of life, there's a dirty side of business, people that will just use you like a vampire.
God between us and all harm, I don't want to see anyone around here meddling with that enchanted place.